So the next on our to-do list is a class that will maintain the directions the turtle can move. So let's create one. And just like with the message class, we can make this class static as well. We always need to specify the direction of each move, so we don't need to remember the state of the class, so therefore we don't need to instantiate the object. So clearly there are 4 directions: north, east, south, and west. So it's a perfect candidate for an enum. So here's my enum, and as you can see, I assign values 3 to 6 to the directions. Why? Well, remember the messages class? The value 1 and 2 are reserved for pen up and pen down, so numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 will be used for the directions. Okay, so value of 3 indicates that the turtle is moving north, 4 is east, 5 is south, and 6 is west. So for our purposes, obviously north and south is up and down, and east and west is right or left. Okay, so this was fairly simple. Now there's one quick thing we need to do, and that is to update the messages class. Remember, in the last video, we left the invalid move method incomplete. We only used string for direction that we passed into the method as an argument, right here. But now, since our directions class is finished, we can actually pass the turtle directions variable type instead of the string. So our directions will not be of type string, but of type directions. Again, it's a static class, so we can call it directly, and dot, and we have the turtle directions available. Okay, that's it. Very simple change. So our directions class is finished, and we now also finished the messages class. Few more classes to do, right? So we will code the pen class. This class will be responsible for drawing characters on the game board. However, we only want to draw when the pen is down. When the pen is up, no drawing should occur. Remember from our previous videos, if the user enters number 1 as an input, it moves the pen up, and if the user enters 2, it moves the pen down. So I created the class, and you can see I made it final, just like I did with the directions, because this class will not have any logic or any methods at all either. This will simply hold the state of the pen, which, like I said, is either up or down. So just like we did with the directions, we can put that into an enum. So a simple enum called pen actions, and I have the up, which is when the user presses 1 on the keyboard, or down when the user presses 2 on the keyboard. And there really is nothing else that we need for the pen class. Alright, so this is the pen class. I think we are now ready to code the turtle class, so let's do that in the next video.